Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you? We are back to our journey to learn modern AI Python. We have covered strings, data classes for numeric displays, which are integer and floats. We have covered Boolean values, and now we are advancing our knowledge for Boolean values by understanding comparison operators. So, are you with me? Let's dive in. So, in the last lesson, we kind of started what are comparison operators as we used statements such as is happy or is sad. But the real power of Boolean values happen when you make decision, when you compare something and the basis of those comparison, you decide that whether to go there or whether to go not go there. In these values, it is decided beforehand because we have given it the value. It is true, is happy is true, is sad is not false. But you can give this is happy and is sad a condition on the basis of which you decide that are you happy or are you sad. For example, you can say if I'm sorry, you can say A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. So you can say I will be happy if A is not equal to B. I will be happy only if A is not equal to B because that is the truth. So this is going to add in this is happy variable the value of truth. It will make it 1. It will make it yes. It will switch it on. Now you can add that I will be sad if A is equal to B because it is not correct. A is never equal to B. 2 is not never equal to 3. So I will not be happy if A is equal to B. So as in this way we have now given is sad and is happy a Boolean value based on comparison operators. You can check the type, you can check what are the values of is happy and is sad now. So you can say is happy is true because because this is the fact A is not equal to 3, and is sad is also true because we are giving it a fact, a good great fact. Is sad is not we are not sad because A is not equal to A is equal to 3. Now how the comparison operators, they don't just stop over here on equal or not equal sign. They go beyond it. You can compare whether A is greater than B or whether A is less than B or whether A is equal to is less than A is greater than or equal to B or A is less than or equal to B. On all of these operators, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, you can make decisions based on this and tell your program what to do when it is faced with these type of conditions. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next lesson with some excitement, new information. Thank you.